Oh, hello there. So today I'm going to show you how to generate JWT tokens using Generate JWT plugin. So this is the demo page here. You can see Generate JWT token where it asks for secret key, payload and the expiry date. Payload is the main part, and in order to convert payload to JWT you need a secret key. So if you have an official secret key you can use that, otherwise you can put any random text, and I'll give this as a random secret key. Then for payload you can follow this example I've given, which is key value pair, and separate them by comma for multiple key value pairs. So I'll give a name ABC, then comma, and then I'll give email as abc@gmail.com. So these are the two key value pairs I want as a JWT. Then for expiry date, you can give a number, and I'll give 20 days. So for days, you can give the suffix as D. For months, you can give it as M. For years, it's Y, like that. And I'll click on generate. As you can see, I got the JWT token. This is the token. So I'll go show you which action I'm using. So this is the action called Generate JWT token, where it asks for secret key and the payload. Payload is key value pair. Then the expiry date, you can check the documentation. I've showed that. Then the algorithm. So in order to generate a JWT in a certain way, you need an algorithm. And I have chosen this algorithm. You can explore what all algorithms are there, and you can choose that from here in order to generate JWT. So this is how you generate a JWT token using Generate JWT plugin. Thank you.